Experiment. Oh my god. I was off balance and fell because this thing weighs so much. In my opinion anyway. Experiment, how much does it weigh? This thing is 18.6 pounds. Sup, it's Sydney. Today I'm joined by my school companion. He's a bit of a monster. There's so much in here. I really could not tell you what we're gonna find, so I guess that's half the fun. I feel like this is kind of random, but I just wanted to do it because I don't think I've done one of these videos since like the beginning of freshman year, and I'm entering the home stretch of my senior year, believe it or not. I feel like I'm giving background knowledge that no one cares about. So here's my backpack, let's get into it. If you're wondering what kind of backpack I have, this is the North Face, oh my god, I can't even hold it up, Recon backpack. Before I get into any of the zippered pockets, I do have one thing on the outside. It's my water bottle. It's just your classic little swell water bottle. You probably can't see super well, but there's a bunch of dents and scratches because I've dropped this very water bottle in my driveway an immeasurable amount of times, so we love a klutz. I'm gonna be honest right now and tell you that this front little pocket that I'm about to open has kind of become a collection of random items and also a garbage can. First things first, I have a pack of extra spearmint gum. This is the kind of gum that my school sells. Oh, look at that. We have an empty, oh, never mind. Apparently I have another pack of gum, the same kind, that has 3 pieces in it, so don't really know why I have 2 of them, but I'm not complaining. I have 2 pairs of Tangled headphones. I have a plastic medal that my gov teacher gave me. On one side, it says winner, and on the other it has a star. Awesome accessory, 20 out of 10. This is my black scrunchie that I haven't been able to find for like 2 weeks, so pretty hype about that. And we found yet another scrunchie. This time it's gray, a little bit different material, really spicing it up in my backpack. Great. We have a classic hair tie because the scrunchies just weren't enough. There's a hair on this, and it's blonde. We have a classic backpack item. This is the Bath & Body Works Vanilla Bean Noel hand sanitizer. Apparently I keep some random money in here too. And last, but certainly not least for this pocket, we have an unreal amount of gum wrappers. The really sad thing is that I do actually clean out this pocket, I would say like every 3 weeks or so. So this is the amount of gum that I've chewed that I've been too lazy to walk to the trash can to throw away the wrapper. So just imagine how much gum I've chewed total. The next little medium-sized pocket is a bit more organized. In the sleeve, I have 2 things. The first being my planner. It's a vibe. I also have a book, which is a collection of 3 plays. We had to do a choice modern play for my AP Lit class. In this pocket, I have 2 regular pencils, which I pretty much never use, and then 1 mechanical pencil. I exclusively use this kind of pencil, which is a little bit pathetic, but it's the Papermate like twist up ones, and that is because I write so dark that I break all other lead. I have not 1, but 2 calculators in here. This is just your basic scientific calculator. This is my graphing calculator. It's school bus yellow because that's what our school provides for us. So this is the TI 84 Plus. I have 2 because for some of my calculus tests, we're not allowed to use a graphing calculator, so then I have the other one in there. That's really it. I also keep my pencil pouch in this pocket. It's pretty basic. I think I got it at like Staples or something. The first little netted pouch has just some pencil top erasers, and then on the inside, it's full of a bunch of different colorful things, even though I really only use my highlighters, this Sharpie, and like any of these little extra pencils. Freshman year, I was one of those kids that got a pack of like 12 different colored pens, when in reality you really only need 1, so don't know why I did that, don't know why I still carry it around with me everywhere, but there she is. The last thing in this section of my backpack is in this zippered pocket, and you already know. You just gotta have some. And finally, we have the big pocket in the back. This is probably the least interesting of all the pockets because it's really just my books, binders, folders, that kind of stuff. At the top, I keep my lunchbox. It's pretty empty right now because I ate all of my lunch, obviously, but it's from Vera Bradley. The biggest thing in here is my calculus binder. It's really riveting, I know. It's just white. It's one of those better binders because the other binders just suck. I have a stray notebook that I use to take notes in for lit. Also, my backpack has a sleeve for a computer, so in there is just the computer that my school provides for me, if I can get it out. You're given the same Chromebook and case throughout all 4 years of high school, so if you're wondering why mine looks a little bit whack, it's because freshman year, I broke both of the zippers and also the Velcro that made it into a little handle. The last things in my backpack are just my folders. If you're wondering why they're so beat up, it's because I got them forever ago, and I used to be that person that would get like new school supplies every year, but then senioritis really just hits you and you just stop caring. So first we have black, and black is for lit. Green is for physics. I have a lot more physics papers, but this is just from like this unit. The light blue folder is for accounting. I don't really need a folder for accounting because pretty much all of it is done on Excel. Red was for Gov, but now that class is over because it's only a semester-long class at my school, so it's just become random. And same for blue. I don't know why I have two of them. I could probably condense them into one folder, but that seems like a lot of work. So that is everything that's in my backpack at the moment. Also, let me know what types of school videos you want to see from me, whether they be about my senior year or about my upcoming college ventures. I would really love to hear your opinion, so comment down below if you have one. And that's it for this video. Bye!